You wake up with your brain, already running a marathon, hit with today's tasks, yesterday's guilt, and tomorrow's anxiety. You sit down to work, get overwhelmed by the mental noise, tell yourself, I'll start in 5 minutes, and end up scrolling your life away on your phone. The problem isn't a lack of motivation. The problem is that your brain is great for having ideas, but terrible at holding them. When you plan in your head, there is no structure, just a fog of chaos. If you're ready to break this cycle and build a clear system for your goals, hit that subscribe button right now. We drop new videos to fix your focus every single week. To change your life, you must learn to think on paper. It instantly relaxes your mind, stops the mental loop, and turns scattered thoughts into a crystal clear roadmap. Before we dive into how to do this, drop a comment below. What is the number one distraction or worry that stops you when you sit down to work? Let's talk about it. Once you're ready to clear that noise, here is the exact 4-step framework to master thinking on paper. Step 1, the brain dump. Before you try to be organized, you need to empty the tank. Grab a blank sheet of paper and a pen. Write down absolutely everything occupying space in your head. Every tiny task, every random idea, every looming deadline, and even personal worries or nagging guilt. Do not filter, do not format, and don't worry about making it look pretty. The goal here is purely externalization. The exact moment a thought transitions from a physical firing of neurons in your brain to ink on a page, its power to overwhelm you drops significantly. You are clearing the mental RAM so your brain can actually focus. Step 2, organizing and visualizing. Now that the chaos is out of your head, you can look at it objectively. This is where visualization gives you your control back. Take a highlighter or a different colored pen and ruthlessly categorize your dump list. Separate the high-leverage actions from the pure distractions. Identify your one big thing, the single task that, if completed today, makes everything else easier or irrelevant. Group similar small tasks together so you can batch them later. You are taking a messy pile of raw data and transforming it into a structured, visual checklist. Step 3, making a system. Take your notebook and give it structure and decide things into daily tasks and priorities and long-term goals. It not make just goal, it breaks down the task that should be done in the week. A plan without a system is just a wish. Decide when and where you will tackle your one big thing. Set clear boundaries, like turning off notifications during those blocks. By creating this system, you remove decision fatigue. You no longer have to wake up and figure out what to do. The system dictates your day, not your changing moods. Step 4, procrastination insurance. Even with a perfect system, resistance will show up. That "I'll start in 5 minutes" voice will try to pull you toward your phone. Step 4 is about using your paper as an anchor. When the urge to scroll hits, force your eyes back to the physical page. Take your first task and break it down into an action so small it feels stupid to ignore, like opening a document or writing a single sentence. The paper removes the friction of starting by giving you immediate clarity. Once you beat that initial resistance, momentum takes over. Grab a pen and your notebook, run through these 4 steps today, and watch how fast your chaos turns into execution.